We are getting ready to start a journey away from the known world, away from thoughts, away. Please place your hands on top of your legs, wherever you feel comfortable. Our eyes are heavy and our tongue is touching the palate. Now I want you to imagine the darkness that's in your head, in your mind right now is the canvas to place new images, new vibrations inside your body, inside your reality. Our purpose today is to anchor our life experience in our hearts, to move and act from the center of our chest and to recognize every feeling, every sensation as valid and welcomed. This is Vaser from Pilot's Daughter. Welcome. Let's take 3 big breaths together. Inhale from your nose. Exhale from your nose. Inhale from your nose. Exhale from your nose. Deep breaths, slowly. Inhale again and let go of all the tension. Let my words take you away. Let my voice guide you. Let go. We are going to see a dot in the center of your heart. A very little dot. It's very red and shiny. It has a lot of light coming from within. Try to see it. Feel this light as a warm touch. A finger pressing your chest. This pressure is releasing more and more light from this little dot, the touch of a finger on top of your chest. Keep breathing deeply. This light coming from the red dot has a rose color that conquers all your skin, all around you. Your face and your neck get tinted by this rose light that's coming from your heart. And feel how it vibrates, how it is in touch with your blood, your sacred blood that gives you life and the opportunity to be here. Encounter the vibration of the king of all your body. The heart is the wiser of all. See the rose light touching your arms and hands, your back, your legs, your toes. From this little dot, a powerful light of sweet and soft vibrations appears, touching every molecule inside your body, touching every drop of blood that runs through your veins. Its rose light is so soft and tender and takes away all your tension. Remind yourself how peaceful, how joyful you are. Rose as the color of a cloud during a sunset. That's the color that surrounds you today. This is a shower of peace, a shower to recognize your heart and give it thanks for the life it allows you to have. Giving thanks for the messages it always gives. Giving thanks for its subtle vibration, so silent and so powerful. It cares for you. It guides you. It's always shining light from this little dot to the depths of your soul, to every corner of your body. Acknowledge your heart through the day today and remember these words. You are loved. You are loved. You are deeply loved. I love you. Thank you.